Muhammad has the most gritty love story of all time. You know how I think I need to let it, never love TK? I said my grandpa been singing that song, right? I was like, dang, man, that's sweet, right? I've never been a part of any type of love affair like this one with Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He keeps breaking me and breaking me and breaking me, then putting me back together. Makes me fast 30 days. And I have to, for our Lord. It's our Lord, me and Muhammad's Lord sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It's yours and Muhammad's Lord sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Sharia is for you and for him. He has to pray 5 times a day. On the flip side, what we look at, and I'm trying to pray more like him, but no, you should do what he had to do too. He had to pray 5 times a day. He's not like us, he's not imperfect. He's Khairu Khalqillah, he's the best of all creation. A level that we wouldn't reach. But I'll tell you something, in the beginning of his life, just from a show of hands, how many of you people know somebody who was born with a dead father? Raise your hands high, it's fine. This is, hey yo, look, check it. I'm telling you, I'm done with fronting, right? I'm done with fronting, right? We gotta speak in our language if we're looking for a connection. How many people know of a person who was born with a dead father? Almost everybody in the room. But then we say, oh man, I feel so bad for him, I feel so bad, I feel so bad. And we do, and it's real. But he's in a good position. That's the son of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. How many people want to follow that sunnah? How many people want to follow that? It's not something that you desire to do. But surely his life is good for you. And his death is good for you. So surely for you to be born with a dead father, that's best for you. That's how it was for the best of all creation. How many of you know some people that lost their mother at a young age? Baby boy, baby girl. Especially, I mean, you in the cities from the last 30, 40 years, I know a lot of people that lost their parents. We say, oh man, woe is me, woe is me. In reality, nah, that was how it was for the best of all creation. That's how it was for the best of all creation. He lost his mother before he was born and his mom before he was even a big boy, before he was 7 years old. How many people want to follow that sunnah? Who want to do that? All these things you desire. Who want to lose mommy or daddy? Who want to grow up like that? When in reality, right, all of these, the strength that we have, no, who want to be weak? Who want to be strong? It's okay, yeah, period. Everybody should want to be, that's it, right? You only get strength through struggle. And nobody struggled like him. That's why nobody's strong as him. How many people know some people lost their grandpa real young? I miss my grandpa, yo. Not for feet. I miss my grandpa. Know some people? Yeah, he did too before he was 10. The Prophet ﷺ was an orphan for real. And what he did for me, how he connected to me, he taught me how to be uncomfortable. He taught me how to be uncomfortable. I grew up in a place where you had to eat till you got full. That's how you knew you was okay. Till your stomach hurt from the food you ate. I went from one pain to another pain to feel okay. That's sickness. My stomach hurt and I'm hungry. Then I eat till my stomach hurts so I'm not hungry. That's insanity. That's pain to pain. He taught me how to divide my stomach up between food, drink, and air. He taught me I ain't need so much. He taught me how to dress and how to use the bathroom. He taught me how to deal with living in this world without having my father. He taught me that. He showed me I got a place in Islam. He showed me how to be poor. He showed me how to be merciful. He showed me how to forgive them people that killed my family members. He showed me how to forgive those people who killed my family members. That's called a what? Connection. It's a connection. It's a connection. Stop tripping. You need to look for a connection. And I'm telling you, there is something in your life that you can connect to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. There is something there. For me, it happens to be being an orphan. That's what it happens to be for me. For me, it happens to be losing these people that I love and having to take care of their sons who are now orphans. They're the new orphans. That's what's for me. Living in poverty like that. I got 7 kids now, but I used to have 6. I said, oh, I got kids like Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He taught me how to stand up straight and how to do good business. He taught me how to believe in God and fear nothing else. He taught me how to be your brother in Islam. And I want to give you something. As we wrap this up, alhamdulillah. The Prophet ﷺ, he said something that means, because there were a group of them, and you know how they call his wives the mother of the believers. So it was asked, why don't we call you our father? Like this, because that would sound, right, like our mother, the mother of the believers, right, mu'mineen, like that. And he said that those people, it's going to come, and those people who follow me, but have never seen me, those are my brothers. How many people love your brother? You got a brother you love? I die for my brother right now. I don't even have to think about it. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he's your brother more than that. He's your brother who can help you help your brother. So lastly, please, please look into your own selves and find a way to connect with Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam through some struggle that you have and find some strength there. And then do it together. Because there is not one of us, not even Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam who could do it alone. So out of all these sunnahs you're going to hear, all these sunnahs that you're going to hear, there is one that I need for you not to forget. Unite. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.